Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. I'm here at Universal Studios Florida. Right behind me, that is the Mardi Gras tribute store, Universal Mardi Gras tribute store. This video is just going to be the tribute store. I'm going to take you guys inside, kind of show you around. Obviously with a tribute store there's lots of Easter eggs, so I'll try and find some Easter eggs. And just check out the tribute store because the event kicks off officially tomorrow. Well, today's Friday. Anyways, the event kicks off and we will be back here covering Mardi Gras from head to toe. But I wanted to do a video just for the tribute store, so let's go check it out. Alrighty, and here we go. As you can see from the outside of the tribute store, the theme for the Universal Mardi Gras tribute store this year is a float factory. So we're gonna go inside and check it out. You can see they have float factory over here on the wall. So let's head on in and check it out. I'm gonna try and keep it as steady as I can. Looks like this first room's kind of conceptual ideas for floats. Looks like they actually have tribute store concept artwork up there as well. This is one thing I love about the tribute store is there's so many Easter eggs and hidden details. Oh, look. There's Earl the squirrel. Of course, Earl's back. Alright, looks like we're heading into the concept and ideas area first. Here's some merchandise. Got a little windbreaker jacket here with King Gator on it. This is the t-shirt. Got a fanny pack with King Gator on it. Here's a hat. And they got some socks down here. Really cool theming in here, warehouse kind of type theming. And they have, again, more concept artwork of the facade of the tribute store. Some different Mardi Gras concept logo ideas over here. And they have a plaque over here with the King Gator. Some wine glasses. Different glasses. Looks like they have a spirit jersey over here. It says Mardi Gras on it. I don't know if there's anything on the opposite side. Let me see here. Yep, it says Universal Studios right there. If my camera will focus. There we go. Some cool spirit jersey. Let me turn it around here. Really cool kind of industrial kind of theme in here. With all sorts of different props and stuff. They got the ornaments over here. They got a Mardi Gras one there. All sorts of Mardi Gras ornaments. Oh, looks like there's another Earl the Squirrel nod right here. All sorts of different years past Mardi Gras concept artwork. Really cool in here. And they have a Mold-O-Matic gator over here for $6. Get yourself a wax gator. Looks like they got some skull and kind of steampunkish decals over here. Some different Mardi Gras skulls and stuff. Some voodoo dolls down here. There's a box of nuts up there. I don't know if you can see it. There's gator foam. This box right here says gator feed. Don't know if you can see that. It says gator feed. So, alright, let's keep moving on over here. Let's see what we got up here. Oh, there's the Mardi Gras tribute store from a couple years ago. The Jazz Preservation Hall. There's another tribute store that they did. I'm a sucker for some concept artwork. Alright, let's head over into the next room over here. Oh, this was the year they did the kind of mausoleum theme in the tribute store. Remember that? got a really cool foam gator King Gator cutout. Looks like they're designing a King Gator float, some type of King Gator float. All sorts of cool concept artwork up here on the wall. Oh, here's another Earl the Squirrel. So it seems like Earl the Squirrel is all about safety. We got lots of beads. What would Mardi Gras be without the beads? Beads are 3 for $15 or $6 each. And ladies and gentlemen, HHN Bear has graced us with his presence at the Universal Mardi Gras Tribute Store. And they have a chair, you get your picture taken next to HHN Bear. Absolutely fantastic. There's another shirt down here. Kind of a cool looking shirt. So it looks like this float is some kind of Space Gator float. Yeah, Space Gator. I'm all for King Gator being made over to Space Gator. Got some hats, some skirts, some clothing stuff over here. And there's a riverboat called the Matic over here. Here's a closer look at it. So, alright. Now we're going to head down the long hallway. A look back in time at Universal Studios Mardi Gras. Oh, lots of... I'm all for retro pictures of Mardi Gras. All sorts of really cool throwback pictures from the early days of Mardi Gras. This is a cool picture of the Mardi Gras floats heading down the highway, probably to Universal. All sorts of really cool pictures. Oh, here's another picture of the Mardi Gras floats heading down the road. That's cool. King Kong from Confrontation, getting a Mardi Gras mask on. That's cool. Nice retro picture right here. This is really cool. Before they did the whole entryway over. All sorts of really cool pictures. Definitely when you're in this part of the tribute store, take your time and look at all these really cool pictures. Lots of really cool throwback pictures. So, alright. Looks like we're on to Scenic and Paint next. And then of course there's lots of paint. Looks like there's some King and Queen merchandise over here. And here's our Space Gator. Again, looks like he's getting ready for painting. Here's the kind of the paint scheme for the Space Gator float. Looks really cool. I would be okay with this actually becoming an actual float. This is really cool. All sorts of lighting in here and stuff. Got some hats over here. Some light up beads. Some sunglasses. Well, I'm getting some serious puppet theater vibes with all this clothing. For those of you that went through the puppet theater house, you probably know what I'm talking about. Some more King and Queen merchandise over here. This shirt's really cool. I like this. I might end up picking this up. It says Planet Mardi Gras Rocket King. That's a really cool shirt. And then there's a Rocket Queen tank top over here. It's a really cool shirt. They got a sling bag and some socks. All sorts of glitter props. Oh, and here's this finished product of the Space Gator float. This is really cool. Space Gator. And of course you got your food booths, all kind of themed to a riverboat kind of look to it. And here's a look at some of the Mardi Gras sweets. We'll start down here at the bottom. Got a king cake. Got a Mardi Gras trifle cake. Got a blue one. And here's the apple. And here are some Mardi Gras macaroons. Got chocolate dipped bacon. Got a cupcake. A Mardi Gras chocolate shot. Some cookie dough balls, which look really interesting. You have a shaker cake. Comes in a little shaker glass. A Mardi Gras brownie. There's another brownie over here. And then you got different colored shaker cake over here. And that's kind of some of the sweets you can get here in the tribute store. And they have fresh roasted nuts over here. Here's a better look at the Space Gator float. And here's the pass holder shirt. So there's a shirt if you're a Universal Orlando pass holder. Louder, wilder, and spicier. Got two different shirts with that on it. And that looks like it's about it. You got your registers down here. You got some confetti projections over here on the wall. Got some King Gator concept artwork over here. King and Queen float 2014 Mardi Gras concept artwork. And it looks like they have the coins back. Here's a look at the coins you can get. Some cool looking coins. And there they are in the machine. And you can purchase all four for $15. Looks like the tribute store got its own bead tree. They got a cool looking piano over here as you exit the Universal Mardi Gras tribute store. And of course, feet don't fail me now as you head on out of the store. Alrighty guys, that's it from here at the Universal Mardi Gras tribute store. Like I said, we're walking through there. Make sure you guys take your time. Any of the tribute stores, Halloween, the Halloween Horror Nights tribute store, the Mardi Gras tribute store, the Christmas tribute store. Make sure you really take your time and look around. There's all sorts of really cool Easter eggs. I filmed in the wrong spot. Wait for Rocket to go by. No, just make sure you take your time in the tribute stores and look around. Just look at all the really cool Easter eggs that they put into these tribute stores. It's always a lot of fun. And yeah, so anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. We appreciate you guys as always. Make sure you leave a comment. What are you excited about Mardi Gras? The food? The parade being back? Let us know. We'll see you guys next time. Be safe. Bye.